Hi everyone. Today we bring you another best top 5 about digital money cryptocurrency. First in our list is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency, without a central bank or single administrator, that can be sent from user to user on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediaries. Transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public distributed ledger called the blockchain. The cryptocurrency was invented in 2008 by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. The currency began to use in 2009 when its implementation was released as open source software. Bitcoins are created as a reward for a process known as mining. They can be exchanged for other currencies, products, and services, but the real-world value of the coins is extremely volatile. Research produced by the University of Cambridge estimated that in 2017, there were 2.9 to 5.8 million unique users using a cryptocurrency wallet, most of them using Bitcoin. Increased use has led to a desire among governments for regulation in order to tax, facilitate legal use in trade, and for other reasons such as investigations for money laundering and price manipulation. Bitcoin has been criticized for its use in illegal transactions, the large amount of electricity and thus carbon footprint used by mining, price volatility, and thefts from exchanges. Second, Ethereum. Ethereum is a decentralized, open-source blockchain with smart contract functionality. Ethereum is the native cryptocurrency of the platform. After Bitcoin, it is the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Ethereum is the most actively used blockchain. Ethereum was proposed in 2013 by programmer Vitalik Buterin. In 2014, development was crowd-funded, and the network went live on July 30, 2015. The platform allows developers to deploy permanent and immutable decentralized applications onto it, with which users can interact. Decentralized finance, DeFi, applications provide a broad array of financial services without the need for typical financial intermediaries like brokerages, exchanges, or banks, such as allowing cryptocurrency users to borrow against their holdings or lend them out for interest. Ethereum also allows for the creation and exchange of NFTs, which are non-interchangeable tokens connected to digital works of art or other real-world items and sold as unique digital property. Additionally, many other cryptocurrencies operate as ERC20 tokens on top of the Ethereum blockchain and have utilized the platform for initial coin offerings. Third, Binance Coin. Binance Coin is the cryptocurrency issued by Binance Exchange and trades with the BNB symbol. Binance Coin initially ran on the Ethereum blockchain with ERC20 standard but has since become the native coin of the Binance chain. Binance Coin has a strict maximum of 200 million BNB tokens. As of June 2021, Binance Exchange is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, supporting more than 1.4 million transactions per second. BNB was initially based on the Ethereum network but is now the native currency of Binance's own blockchain, the Binance Chain. Every quarter, Binance uses 1/5 of its profits to repurchase and permanently destroy, or burn, Binance coins held in its treasury. Binance was created as a utility token for discounted trading fees in 2017, but its uses have expanded to numerous applications, including payments for transaction fees, on the Binance chain, travel bookings, entertainment, online services, and financial services. At the time of writing, Binance had a market cap of more than $46 billion and ranks behind only Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USD Tether in terms of market cap. Fourth, Chainlink. Chainlink is a blockchain-based cryptocurrency network that provides a link between real-world data and smart contracts. It also offers a tradable cryptocurrency token called Link, which is used to pay for smart contract transactions on the Chainlink network. Link tokens also hold their own relevant value in comparison to fiat currencies. The platform helps carry out smart contracts, which are blockchain agreements that automatically complete upon the filling of necessary preconditions. Chainlink helps oracles, or outside data sources, to act as liaisons between themselves and the blockchain. Investing in cryptocurrency can be confusing, so consider working with a local financial advisor. Chainlink is a decentralized, blockchain network that helps bridge the gap between oracles that send real-world data and smart contracts that exist on the blockchain. Fifth, Tether. Tether is a blockchain-based cryptocurrency whose crypto coins in circulation are backed by an equivalent amount of traditional fiat currencies, like the dollar, the euro, or the Japanese yen, which are held in a designated bank account. Tether tokens, the native tokens of the Tether network, trade under the USDT symbol. Tether is a stable coin, a type of cryptocurrency which aims to keep cryptocurrency valuation stable. As opposed to the wide swings observed in the prices of other popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. That would allow it to be used as a medium of exchange and a mode of storage of value, instead of being used as a medium of speculative investments. So there's all you should know. Thank you.